This is not financial advice. It's not legal advice for entertainment and educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell y'all every day, the data released to us is false. Listen, they keep trying to hide how terrible the market is, and I'm not just talking about the United States. I'm talking about globally. If you watch some of my other videos, you see how crazy China is, Japan, India. It's crazy. And here's the thing. The European Central Bank has warned today that they should prepare for a loss, okay? And these losses might end up in the Central Bank of Germany, Netherlands, and Belgium. All of them might end up in the red. Okay, when you see central banks who are supposed to be independent of governments in order to appear neutral, if that's the right word, they might be having to ask for bailouts. That's a big problem. That tells me that, like I said in previous videos, this economic collapse is going to be worse than 2008, 1929, Bernie Madoff, Enron combined. Even if you add the .com, that's how terrible I see this thing. And the thing is this, even the Dutch National Bank are suggesting that they might need a bailout. Okay? They haven't asked for it yet. But if they're already putting that out there, if they're already suggesting that it might happen, that means there's a high likelihood that the money's already needed. Okay? Because a lot of times, these big banks, they don't tell you they're in trouble till they're already in trouble. They don't say, oh, possibly we might be in trouble next month. No, they try to kick the can down the road as long as they can, trying to give the impression that everything is okay. So when they are telling you that they might be a loss, when they're telling you that they might need a bailout, that tells me they already at a loss. They already need a bailout. The thing is, the European Central Bank has to pay interest on $5 trillion in euros, okay? And that's trillions with a T. $5 trillion in euros to the commercial banks. So once they make these payments, if they're able to make these payments, it's going to have a detrimental effect on the whole global market. And like I tell y'all every day, when the global market collapse, and I believe it will, I believe the global market will collapse. And I haven't said this in a while, but I blame the SEC. Because had the SEC been doing their job, a lot of the action that these bad actors took would not have happened, because they would have known there would be serious consequences for their actions. But because the SEC doesn't do their job, because these bad actors can break the law with impunity, with no repercussions, that is why we are in the financial situation we are in now. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about the European Central Bank about to go down. They're going to need a bailout along with a whole lot of other central banks in Europe. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.